This is a total glue. This is a light accelerated super glue. It actually cures by shining this UV light on the back on it. And I'm going to show you how it works. All right, we're going to take this tiny piece of glass here. We are going to first put the resin down. Then on the back, we're going to use the light to cure it. So you just shine it directly on there. We'll count 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000. You see that smoke coming off of it? 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000. Now, to show you that it's cured, I'm going to take this marker, just draw over it. Yep, definitely cured. Boom!